Many rich Indians are packing their bags not for vacation but possibly for good. A new survey shows that over 1 in 5 ultra-rich Indians want to leave the country. Who are we talking about? We are talking about India's ultra-high net worth individuals, people with a net worth of 25 crore rupees or more. According to Kotak Private, in partnership with consultancy EY, India had around 2.83 lakh such individuals in 2023. Together, they hold wealth worth 2.83 lakh rupees crore. And that number is rising fast. By 2028, India could have 4.3 lakh UHNIs holding wealth worth 359 lakh rupees crore. But despite this growth, many are looking outside India to build their futures. Why are they leaving? 22% of India's ultra-rich are actively considering leaving the country. That's more than 1 in 5. Why? Because they believe they can live better elsewhere. Better quality of life, healthcare, education for children, and smoother business operations are some of the top reasons. Many of them call it an investment in the future. They want to give their families, especially their children, access to world-class universities and better living conditions. The survey also reveals that professionals are more likely to want to migrate than business owners or those who inherit wealth. People aged 36 to 40 and above 61 are most keen to move. It's not just about tax anymore. According to another report by Henley and Partners, the priorities for rich migrants are changing. Climate change resilience, personal safety, and wealth protection for the next generation are big drivers, too. Where are they going? The United Arab Emirates is the top choice. Why? Because there's no income tax, a simple 5% VAT on goods and services, and a luxury-friendly lifestyle. The UAE welcomed 6,700 new millionaires in 2024 alone. Other hotspots include the USA, Singapore, Canada, Australia, Italy, Switzerland, Greece, Portugal, and Japan. How does India compare globally? India is not alone in this trend. According to Henley and Partners' 2024 report, China tops the list, with 15th 200 millionaires expected to leave, a record high. China's economic growth has slowed since 2017, making its rich nervous. The UK follows, with 9,500 millionaires, mainly from London, projected to exit. India comes third, with 4,300 high net worth individuals expected to leave in 2024. Other top countries with a large number of millionaires leaving were South Korea, Russia, Brazil, South Africa, Taiwan, Nigeria, and Vietnam. But here's the interesting part. This number is going down. In 2022, India lost 7,500 millionaires. In 2023, it dropped to 5,100. In 2024, it's expected to fall again. Experts say this is a positive sign. Maybe the reasons people were leaving, like poor infrastructure or complicated business rules, are slowly improving. Also, most rich Indians don't fully cut ties with India. They often keep businesses, homes, and family roots here, even after moving abroad. Is this bad news for India? Not necessarily. Gautami Gavankar from Kotak Mahindra Bank says this is not a capital flight. India has rules to control how much money one can move abroad, even after becoming a foreign resident. While India is losing some millionaires, it's also creating new ones faster. That means the net impact might not be as harmful as it looks on the surface.